And I love you, baby. And it's quite alright. I need you, baby. On the darkest nights, I need you, baby. And trust in what I say. And I love you, baby. And it's quite alright. I need you, baby.
Hey guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. Do you notice something different? Yeah, I'm not wearing my glasses for one reason and one reason only. I just wanted to show off my Valentine's Day inspired makeup. Yeah, I worked really hard. I just wanted to show you guys, but actually I can't see anything, so I'm gonna continue with my glasses on. I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 3 DIY Valentine's Day gifts. Yes, not 1, not 2, but 3. And these are super affordable. The most I spent on one gift was probably like $10 to $15 max. And for one of them, like probably under $5. So guys, you need to jump on this if you're like me, struggling college student, doesn't have a lot of money to spend, but still wants to make the people in her life feel super special. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below if you like these kinds of DIY videos. And without further ado, let's get into it. Hey guys, voiceover Noelle here. This first gift idea is a cooking/baking inspired gift basket for that chef or baker in your life. The materials you'll need are a cute little gift basket. I found this super cute heart one from the dollar section at Target. Pancake mix, brownie mix, cookie mix, whatever you prefer. Hershey Kisses. Measuring cups, I found these adorable heart ones from Target as well for only $3. Cute little sprinkles, a rubber spatula, a card and envelope. Tissue paper. Target has a wide selection of tissue paper, and I promise this video is not sponsored by Target, but like 90% of my materials are from Target. This is optional, but gift bags and twist ties. And finally, scissors and writing utensils. The thing I really love about this gift idea is that it is super customizable. You could literally include anything you want. I tried to include a variety of cooking materials, so like the measuring cups and the pancake mix, but it is 100% up to you what you put in your basket. The first thing you do is just line the bottom with some cute little tissue paper. I love tissue paper so much. It just adds so much life to the gift. I don't know, I just love it. So my original plan was just to put the pancake mix directly into the basket, but it was so much bigger than I anticipated. So I used these little goodie bags to put the pancake mix into. And I also think this made it like extra cute. If you're gonna do this, you wanna save the box that your mix came in. It worked out so well that the box was red because it went perfectly with the Valentine's Day theme. So I'm just cutting out the directions on the back and sticking it in right behind the pancake mix. Now I'm just putting the rest of my utensils in here, so the measuring cups and the rubber spatula. And I'm also sticking in the cute little sprinkles and an essential for peanut butter blossoms, Make It Rain Hershey Kisses. Finally, I'm making a handwritten little note. I just think this personalizes the whole experience. And I just love hand making my own cards. But if you prefer to buy your own card, no shame at all. Stick that baby in there and boom, you got your first DIY gift done. A super cute, affordable, and very festive gift basket for your favorite chef in your life. Moving on to gift idea number 2, this one is definitely the simplest and cheapest option out of the 3. It is a jar of stars. The materials you'll need are construction paper, a jar, mine is tinted pink of course, festive ribbon, writing utensils of your choice. I'm using an array of G2 pens, shout out G2 pens, you're the best. Scissors, and finally puffy stickers. This is optional, but you can never go wrong with puffy stickers. You can use any paper you have. It doesn't even have to be construction paper. If you just have computer paper lying around, that works perfectly. But I want it to be a little bit extra, so I'm using these floral print, pink, very Valentine's Day-y paper, and all I'm doing is cutting a bunch of strips out. I don't have the exact length, but I would estimate anywhere between 10 to 12 inches per strip. If you want to make the stars the same size as mine, once you have all your strips cut out, feel free to write anything you want on the back of them. You can write words of encouragement, things you love about the person, fun date ideas. I even wrote down some of my favorite Bible verses. Get creative with this part. This is what makes the gift super personal. Now we're gonna fold them in the cutest way possible. This gift idea is 100% inspired by origami paper stars that my sisters used to make all the time while I was growing up. They're also called lucky stars, insert picture here. But since I cut my own strips out, mine are gonna be giant stars. Hopefully my demonstration is helpful in showing you guys how to fold the stars correctly, but if not, feel free to check out the video in the description. Basically, you fold it like 45 degrees in the beginning and then you just kind of fold it to make a star shape. Yeah, definitely check out the video because I don't know how to explain it in words. After you fold it, you should get a pentagon shape, but the coolest part, the part that transforms it into a star, is making it puffy. To do this, you pinch down on every edge that comes to a point and you will see that it starts to become puffy. It's the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed with these. Repeat this process as many times as you want. Write your notes, fold the paper. Once you have your desired amount, just put all your stars in the jar. And this is optional, but you can take another piece of paper and create a tag. On this tag, I'm writing a Bible verse that relates to stars that I thought fit really well. But you could also just write the name of the person you're giving it to. Happy Valentine's Day, I love you, you know, all of that sweet stuff. Final step is to take your cute little ribbon. I didn't have a hole puncher, so I'm just using my pen, but be careful with this. Don't accidentally stab yourself. Thread your ribbon through the tag and tie it around the lid of your jar. And the final step, the most essential step, the puffy sticker. Just kidding, this is completely optional. But you can add a sticker to the top of the jar or also leave it how it is. Once again, completely customizable. This gift is perfect for that person in your life whose number one love language is words of affirmation. I know that's me. I would absolutely love to receive this gift. The third and final DIY gift idea is a box of love. I couldn't think of a better name. The materials you will need are a box, paper shred, string or twine, pictures. I'm using Polaroid shots of the love of my life, Taquito, if you don't know him yet, and a bunch of sweet things, so candy, chocolates, M&Ms, baby bottle pops. I'm also including this little cute plushie of a dog. And finally, some pens, scissors, a carded envelope, puffy stickers, and washi tape. This gift is actually really simple to assemble, kind of like the other ones. They're all pretty simple. The first thing you're gonna do is fill your box with the goodies. So first I'm filling up the bottom with paper shred and then making it rain chocolates, Hershey Kisses, and these adorable cookies and cream heart chocolates. And then just go ham, just go wild, fill it with a bunch of sweets. So I have white chocolate Reese's, mini M&Ms, arguably better than regular sized M&Ms, a ring pop, Ghirardelli caramel hearts, the little dog plushie, a baby bottle pop, and Tic Tacs. Because let's be honest, if you want your Valentine's Day kiss, you want your person to have fresh breath, if you know what I mean. I'm also including another card that I made. And now for the fun part, the lid of the box. So you're gonna take your string or your twine and cut out various lengths. Depending on how many photos you have, I have 5, I'm gonna cut out 5 pieces of string. The reason you wanna make them different lengths is so there's some variety and interest. If you all make the string the same length, the photos will hang at the same elevation. And all you're gonna do is taking your washi tape or your regular tape, tape the string to the back of your photos, arranging your photos any way you'd like, tape all your string pieces to the underside of the lid. And just like that, you have a cool hanging photo effect. For some added Valentine's Day cuteness, we're gonna take puffy stickers and deck out the string. So I'm just taking 2 puffy stickers and sticking them to each other, and it creates just this super cute like situation. I don't know what to call it, but it's just so cute. So now when your loved one opens up this box, they're gonna be bombarded with love, They're gonna get some memories from the photos. They're gonna get some sweetness from the candy. And most importantly, they will feel your effort and the time that you put into this. This gift idea definitely has it all. It's a perfect gift for that special someone in your life. And the best part is it won't cost you an arm and a leg. And that's it. 3 adorable DIY gifts for your special someone this February 14th. I can't pick a favorite. They're all my favorite, but if I had to choose, it would probably be the pancake mix one because I love food. Food is like the way to my heart. I really hope these DIYs were helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY was your favorite and if you plan on recreating them. If you have any questions at all about materials, where I got them from, how to do something, leave it in the comments down below. And I wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Singles Awareness Day, if you will. But guess what? You don't need a man or a woman to feel loved and complete because you are already so loved. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I don't have a favorite. They're all my favorite because I made them. I'm just kidding.